Hello friend, good morning. I'm Raton. I'm very sorry because yesterday I do not record a video uh, spoken English mission. I try our spoken English mission 8 day video. So friend, you try and try speak English so you better than before. I English structure understand and I am English reading and speaking, listening, understand. So friends, I I I am a structure. I have a structure. I have to etc structure. I gather and I'm try this structure. Uh, I am a I'm a good boy and you are a foul boy. But because you don't know English speak, so friend, you you learn English speak, follow my channel. Thank you.